Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the mic work reliably. Plug in or pair it, then set it as the default input in sound settings. Once done, press Windows key +I and go to Accessibility right arrow speech. Toggle voice access on so Windows can listen. Make sure your language pack matches the voice model by visiting Time and Language right arrow language and region and installing the correct pack. This ensures accurate recognition rather than garbled output when you begin speaking. Now you configure the recognition engine and improve accuracy. First, run the voice access setup wizard or Windows speech recognition and follow the prompts to train the model with your voice. Training reduces errors. Make sure online speech services are enabled under Privacy and Security right arrow speech to use cloud models for harder words. Next, calibrate the microphone in Sound Control panel by adjusting levels and sample rate, because a clean input signal directly. To finish, launch voice access or press Win+H for dictation and begin speaking. Use clear commands and say punctuation out loud for exact text. Make sure you review and customize the command list under Accessibility right arrow speech so common actions match your workflow. If things go wrong, first confirm microphone privacy and that apps are allowed to use it. Then update audio drivers and run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. If recognition still fails, restart Windows after changes to apply settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.